Hey guys, this is Logan over at Hank's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2002 Ford Lightning SVT. This thing has 95,000 original miles. It's a build number 259. It's got a bright red exterior paint and LED fog lights in the front. It's riding on Hankook SVT street tires with the factory 18-inch SVT wheels. See over here we have the paint match power mirrors, functioning code lock on the door handles. Go ahead and take a look inside. This thing is unbelievably clean. The door jambs are spotless. This has leather and cloth seats. Touchscreen Pioneer head unit. It's got GlowShift boost and RPM pillar gauges. Cruise control. See down here we have factory plastic on the carpet on both sides. The driver's seat is power. 2 sets of keys. Come on back, you see we have a Trifecta 2.0 tonneau cover. And inside we have a Duraliner Bedliner. It's in perfect shape. No cracks, no broken pieces. Top of the tailgate is very good condition. Tail lights are in working order. Around this side we have the dual side exit exhaust. Again, very clean. As always, our cars have a clean Carfax. We'll go ahead and get it started for you guys.